Okay, everything's A-okay. You ready to put I don't know, some sweet guitar behind it? All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I love that song. I know, it's just a crazy thing we did. I don't even understand it, but it's just a cool way to start the show. I know, huh? How you guys doing? Let's see who's here. Hey, it's Grassroots Indians. Okay, hey, gold star for Grassroots, sweetie. Put a gold star down for Grassroots. How you doing? And Daniel Black, we would like to present the silver star to you, Daniel Black, for being number 2. Not that kind of number 2. We're not calling you, number 2. You're just second place. Now I'm embarrassed. Okay, let's put a silver star. BOOZHOO, Daniel. Oh, and Jessica Booz is here. BOOZHOO, Jessica. Can we just put like a smiley face? I'll put a little smiley face by Jessica. And I'll put a little heart around the smiley face. All right. Daniel Black says, no sneaking a sunrise past a rooster today. That's right. We're coming on early. Once again, Indian time. Always early. That's what they're always saying about Indian people. We're one big stereotype. All those Indians, all they care about is getting up early, getting started, bunch of hard workers, them Indians. I'm sick of it, you guys. It's a stereotype. And Jim Dunn's here. Yo, what's up? Zagame, is there a secret place to find the start time? Yeah, it's in my heart. It's when I feel like it. I don't know. I can't be bound to the white man's clock. The watch doesn't tell me what time it is, sweetie. I tell that watch what time it is. Yeah, do you? I do. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha. BOOZHOO, everybody! Welcome to the show. And down here, we've got the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons. Hello, everyone. Bonjour. Bindigain. Welcome. How you doing? So, yeah. So, I was thinking about stereotypes. Anishinaabe stereotypes. Have you guys seen this commercial? Look out, it's Johnny Depp. Uh-oh. And here comes the Anishinaabe Kwe, I guess. Oh, there's the fancy dancer. Must be a powwow nearby. No? Okay. We're playing some electric guitar. No amplifier. Non-guitar players, what he's doing is incredibly easy. He's a very beginner guitar player. And then there's some,
We are the land.
We are glad.
The new sauvage. Le parfum.
Are you calling us
Dior.
savages? How dare you, Johnny Depp? How dare you? I've never been so offended, sweetie. You are not offended. No, I am, man. Savage. That's French for savage. Johnny Depp is calling the people savages. Why? Because we won't wear your French perfume? You got in some trouble for that. Not really. Why do I say that? It made news. Someone pretended to be outraged. Oh, that's racist. Is it really? Why? I don't know. Because why would a fancy dancer be dancing to a guy playing an electric guitar acoustically? I mean, if he was actually there, you couldn't even hear the guitar. What was he playing? You know. There's another one where Johnny Depp is driving in his convertible down the road, and he gets a vision. He sees a buffalo on the road there, and he sees a wolf. He sees a hawk. You know, and he goes and he takes a shovel out of the trunk, and he digs a hole, and everyone's thinking, what's that hole for? Has anybody seen Amber Heard? Is he gonna bury Amber Heard's body out here? But no, he takes off his bracelets and that, and buries his bracelets in the desert, and then makes another campfire or something. Poses, pretends he's an Indian. I think he is an Indian. Why? Because he has a Sitting Bull tattoo. Everybody likes to claim Johnny Depp because he was in Tonto. In The Lone Ranger in Tonto? Yeah. Or as Indians call that movie, Tonto. I don't know if y'all remember, a few years ago, they came out with a movie called The Lone Ranger in Tonto, starring Johnny Depp and a guy with a weird name, Armie Hammer. Armie Hammer. What? You named your son Army? Oh, I'm Navy Screwdriver. I'm Air Force Wrench. I'm Armie Hammer. Anyway, they did a movie. And when I remember when we first heard about, there was a rumor going around that Johnny Depp was going to play Billy Jack. And people were like, oh yeah, that's a good idea. Sure, Johnny Depp. I think he's a mixed blood. He's a Wisakode Winini. And then so people were like, yeah, okay, cool. Why not? Does he know karate? He's going to have to know how to do a face kick like Billy Jack. You know who would have been good for the Billy Jack remake? Who's that? Keanu Reeves. Really? Why? Well, he's got a weird look. He could pass. He put some Donald Trump glow tan on that guy. You can make him look Indian, and then You know, he already knows judo from the Matrix movies. But it wasn't it. They weren't even remaking Billy Jack. They were remaking Lone Ranger and Tonto. And so Johnny Depp, you know, he shows up on the set one day. And, you know, all the shenobs are sitting around. They're like, oh, here he comes. Johnny Depp. Edward Scissorhands. Oh, look, here he comes. The Anishinaabe clown posse himself. And he shows up in this black and white makeup. He goes, hey, man. Look at me. I'm Tonto. And the Indians are like, what? How do you figure? He goes, no, remember how Tonto had that kiss makeup on? And the dead bird on his head? You know, Tonto. And the Indians are like, okay, great. Yeah, well, welcome to the set, Edward Scissorhands. Welcome to the set, Captain Jack Paul Stanley. Captain Paul Stanley. You know? I mean, what is The Crow? Oh, I'm sorry. Am I in the wrong set? Is this the remake of the movie The Crow? No, this is Lone Ranger and Tonto. Oh, okay. Where do I go? I go stand over there by Army Hammer. Bunch of nitwits. Got the Anishinaabe clown posse and the Army Hammer trying to make a movie about Lone Ranger and Tonto. What were you thinking? And then you realize just what a terrible actor Johnny Depp is. Because it's the same character as Captain Jack Sparrow. He's playing the exact same person, same kind of physical comedy. Everything is just the same person. You just go, hey, look, is Johnny Depp playing an Indian kind of? Playing some sort of scary, satanic, you know, clown posse. Oh, I'm a mime. Yeah, this is back in the day. You know, a lot of people don't know that Native Americans, they invented mime. You know, they'd be out there in a desert, miming everything. Johnny Depp. I don't think it's easy being Johnny Depp. Really? How come? You know, he's another example of kind of like Michael Jackson, whoever, where you inherit the world but lose your soul. You know, went through that terrible divorce breakup with Amber Heard. Amber Alert? No, Amber Heard. Oh, okay. You know, she fakes that Johnny Depp beats her up. And she poops in the bed. True story. Amber Heard pooped in the bed just to get during a fight or some crazy thing. Threw a bottle of wine at drunk old Johnny Depp, who spends $30,000 a month on wine. The guy's a hopeless alcoholic, drug addict. You know, he stays youthful looking because he drinks adrenochrome, allegedly. But, yeah. What's going on down here, you guys? Grass Rich says, same song plays when I wake up and when I start walking. What are we talking about here? You guys still having a conversation about, when do we know this show starts? Jesse says, I've never seen The Lone Ranger in my life. You know, it is kind of entertaining in spite of everything I kind of tease about it. It's like a Walt Disney action film. If you like Captain Jack Sparrow, you'll like Tonto. It's about as dumb and pointless as Captain Jack Sparrow. I couldn't get through. I watched the first one, I think. And then I saw the part of the one where Captain Jack Sparrow meets Keith Richards. And you go, what? Why is Keith Richards on a pirate ship? So I just shut it off. I couldn't. Wally Bear says, isn't Tom Cruise part native? Read that somewhere. Is that right? Tom Cruise is a... Have you ever heard that, sweetie? I haven't heard that, but think about it. He kind of looks native. I know. Everybody likes to, when there's somebody famous, they kind of go, now that you mentioned it, something in his eyes. Then there's this famous commercial. Speaking of people you wonder, oh, is he Indian? How about this guy? This used to be on Saturday morning cartoons, or the commercials in between. Hiya, 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 hiya. He is canoeing in a city for some reason. Just first thing in the morning. He must be going out to rice. I love the 70s music. There he pulls up his old birch bark canoe.
Some people have a deep, abiding respect for the natural beauty that was once this country.
Yeah, some people do. Indians.
And
But
some
then
people
look at that
don't.
guy.
People start pollution. People can stop it.
Makes you want to cry. Bum, 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 bum. The dude's in full store-bought Indian costume. Guy had a weird name like Iron Eyes. I don't know. They should have called him Tear-Filled Eyes. But I heard someplace that he was actually Italian. Yeah. Not that it matters. Quit littering, you guys. You're going to make the Indians cry. That's the one thing people cannot bear, is to see a grown man cry. They're, okay, sorry, I'll pick up my trash. I got some McDonald's takeout and I was driving through New York City and I threw it out the window. It's pretty rude. Sorry. What happened to all those trees that you ripped the birch bark off on? Did they die? Did you know what you were doing when you harvested that birch bark? Or did you just kill the defenseless birch bark trees? Wigwam. Wigamig. Wigamig. Birch bark. Anyway, but this is a show about Ojibwe language, sweetie. That's right. And it's prayer day. Yeah. Today's prayer day of all days. Anama egg. Yisha good. It is prayer day. And I pray for the souls of the lost Indians in the city, like Iron Eyes and poor old Johnny Depp driving around like a savage, playing guitar out in the desert like a savage, just like a sav. Anyway, today is Anuma Egisha God. It's a prayer day, and today is a sacred day to commune with Gitche Manado, with the Great Spirit. You know, people want to act, oh, I'm all native, and yet you don't commune with the Creator. Oh, so what? Your Indianness is skin deep. All your identity is worth is your tone of your skin. Oh, look at me. I'm a real redskin, but I don't even pray to the Creator. What are you talking about? I have no idea. I'm practicing my acting again. Yeah, I like it when you practice your acting. Yeah. Gotta get serious. Okay. Zagame says, but I love Kool-Aid. I love the Kool-Aid. I took the Kool-Aid. What? Why is everybody against Kool-Aid? Everyone's like, oh, have you taken the Kool-Aid? I bet you got a booster shot. You know. Yeah, maybe I did. Have you had Kool-Aid lately? It's delicious. It's sugar, cherry flavor, water. There's not even any caffeine in it. Have some Kool-Aid. It's refreshing. Delicious. Everybody's down on Kool-Aid. I've had enough of these people. These people. Yeah. The Kool-Aid haters. Frozen made it last longer. It's like I made like frozen lemon, those homemade popsicles. I think Zagame must be poor. Why? Because they have to make their own whatever popsicles. Zagame says, Nanaboozhoo, please don't wear a dead bird on your head. Very creepy. Don't wear a dead bird? Oh, okay, if you say so. Can I wear a dead cat? Just as like a little bonnet, tie its legs around my head? Oh, that's sweetie. Oh, kalala. Wally Bear says, I only litter when I'm in Bemidji over by Walmart and Target. Yeah. I mean, why not? The whole area is one big garbage dump. From their products to their produce. Grassroots says, I do the same on Kickapoo Res, Wally. Yeah. I don't recycle. I never litter. I put it on the garbage, but I don't separate my plastics and my tin cans and whatever. I just throw it in the garbage. Don't care. Oh, but if everyone felt that way, then we get nowhere. I don't know. I guess I became kind of cynical. Remember back in the 80s when every rock star was saying, hey man, save the rainforest. Did you know that every minute 1 acre of rainforest is bulldozed? And then like 50 years later, they're going, come on, save the rainforest. And you go, what? I thought the rainforest would be totally bulldozed by now. Did we save it for a while and now they're bulldozing it again? I mean, it's been 50 years for crying out loud. Or 30 years or whatever. Did it grow back? And what do I care if the rainforest gets bulldozed? I don't live there. You know what Minnesota used to look like? We used to have redwoods. Oh, come to the Chippewa National Forest. Get to see some trees that are older than 25 years. Yeah. I don't remember the rainforest people coming up here trying to save our trees. So, goes around, comes around. That's what I say. Are you against the people from the rainforest? A little bit. It's always, oh, help me, help me. Well, where were you when my pipes froze last year? Nowhere. We had to go down there and put a space heater down in our little basement. That was a pain in the neck, just to get down there in that big heavy door thing, that in the storm shelter, whatever that is. Yeah. So whatever. Same thing goes for those dogs in the what's that singer? In the arms of the angels. Sarah McLachlan? Yeah. You know what, Sarah? Those dogs don't have a home because A, they probably bit somebody. Owner had to get rid of them. They were untrainable. B, they were unlovable. Some dogs are just, racists. Hitler had a dog. Do you think Hitler's dog was racist? I would imagine. He was probably a white supremacist. This is Hitler's dog, you guys. You don't hear I can never remember her name. In the arms of the angel. I just said it. Not Annie Lennox. That chick, whatever. She's suspiciously quiet whenever people want to talk about Hitler's dog. Not all dogs go to heaven. This dog used to chase little German children into the gas chambers just by barking at them. And Hitler drew a picture of him. Really? No, I don't think so. But this is a drawing that Adolf Hitler did. Okay, so for today's Conspiracy Corner, going down the rabbit hole. I gotta make this picture smaller. My big fat head's in the way. It's a lovely drawing of a of a dog. Come on, feel the noise. So you can see there's an Adolf Hitler, his signature on there. But, I know how to draw. And this is a pencil drawing. And if I worked really hard at something, I could probably draw this well. I'm not saying it's impossible art or anything. But just as a human being, that shows some talent. And the amount of time it would take to draw something like this, with the shading, he probably looked at a photograph while he was doing it. But there's light even in the eye. He knew how to make something look wet and something look furry, whatever. But also, the artist had to love the subject, to spend this much time and care. Adolf Hitler loved his dog. So, not that dictators and fascists, whatever, can't love their dogs. I'm just saying, you have to be a good artist. People aren't just born with artistic talent. That's one of the secrets that us drawers never like to admit. Is that it takes a long time and a lot of practice and a lot of trial and error to get something that looks like, oh, look at me, I got so much talent. You have to work hard and learn a lot of tricks. There's a lot of inside tricks that us drawers know. So a guy like Hitler who had to learn to draw like this had to spend a lot of time not plotting to take over the world. It just makes me wonder, was he really what we're told? Or was he an artist and maybe an actor who played the part and somebody else told him what to say? But really he was just a guy who drew. Hey, sweetie! Yeah? You got a call line too. Oh, really? Okay. Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Well, hello, NANABOOZHOO. Well, hey, Adolf. I'm glad you called in. We were just talking about your drawing of your dog here. I know, I saw that, my little pup. That is my little pup. I call him Adolf Jr. Oh, really? His name was Adolf too? Yes, he was like a son to me. Oh, I love that dog so much. Oh, he's not with you anymore? No, sadly. My dog passed away many years ago. Oh, really? I'm sorry. Yes, he became very old, and I had to bring him to the veterinarian, and they put him down. Oh, that's kind of ironic. What do you mean? Well, I mean, you were responsible for killing so many people, and then in the end, you had to bring your dog somewhere to... I guess it's not irony. It's just sort of interesting to picture you crying over having to kill somebody in such a way. Well, I didn't gas my dog. I brought him in. They gave him a sedative. He fell asleep. And then they gave him another shot. And he passed away gently, peacefully into heaven. You think your dog went to heaven? Of course my dog went to heaven. All dogs go to heaven. Oh, do they? Even dogs of fascist dictators? Yes, of course. Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess it was not his fault. Do you think he'll go to heaven? I do not know. It is not for me to decide. Yeah, I guess not. It's not for me to decide either. What do I know? And I hope I go, but I'm not going to say, no, for sure you're going to hell just because, the whole World War II thing. I've told my share of lies, and I've never killed anybody, but You know, who among us is without sin, right? Oh, yes, you know. What you say is very true, Nanaboozhoo. Yeah. So, what else? What's up? Well, I just wanted to call in because I was wondering if I could teach the Ojibwe word of the day. Oh, you want to teach Ojibwe word of the day? Yes, I would love to. Okay, hang on. Let me get rid of the painting or the drawing. And again, well done on that. That's a sweet drawing. Yes, I love my doggy. I think actually, you know what? I got a picture of a painting too. Remember this one? Oh yeah, that's winter scene. Anybody who's never seen this. Here's a Hitler painting. Which is, again, amazing. You know, you should have been like a architectural, I mean, no, you shouldn't. You should have just been a fine artist. But this is as good as anything anybody has done. Just technically. Oh, thank you very much. And, didn't you have this is backwards. Yes, you have the picture in reverse. Okay, hold on. There, it doesn't matter. So, kids, this has been your moment of art. Hitler. It's a pretty decent artist. All right, Hitler, let's see. Gi ma mikwanda nimen. Gi ma mikwanda nimen. McWaniman. I'm proud of you. Adolf, you did a nice job with your paintings and with that drawing of your dog. I can tell, that was pretty good. Oh, thank you very much. Gimak Wen Nimenen. Did you say that right? Gimak Mikwaniman. I can't say it. I know, it's a tough word. But I'm proud of you too. Okay, thank you. What's going on? I don't know. This show just took a weird turn. I gotta get out of it. All right, Niji, I'm gonna let you go. I gotta get out of this. Okay, well, Gigawabamin, Minawa. Yep, Gigawabamin, Minawa, Hitler. Why do you have... What? Never mind. Mamik Wen Nimin. Nimin. It's like saying Eminem. Nimin. Wayneman. McWayneman. Mamik Wayneman. I'm proud of you. I Googled Ojibwe phrases this morning and I saw a picture and I was like, hey, phrases you should tell your kid. Oh, this is a good thing. You should tell your kids, I'm proud of you. And I thought we'd have a show where I talked about telling people you're proud of them. Hey, I'm proud of you. You know, proud of who you are. I don't take pride in you like it was my thing. I'm proud of you. But I can't say that word, so I'm not even going to talk about it. Yeah. Today's not about that. Today's prayer day. You bunch of savages. Anima egg, you're good. Prayer day. Gonna pray for Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. I hope they get back together someday. Do you really? No, I don't care. But hey, they freed Britney. Did they? Yeah, I saw something about it. Britney Spears, mother of 2, I think. Court finally told her dad to let her have her bank card back. Her conservatorship, apparently they took away all her ability to control her life years ago. Said, Your Honor, my daughter is crazy. I'm going to have to take care of her money and her cell phone and tell her to stay on birth control and stuff. And the judge was like, yeah, it seems reasonable. Why not? Years go by and poor old crazy Britney Spears, she wants to be a grown-up, be able to make her own decisions. And so they finally freed Britney. And so Britney took some pictures of herself in naked. Did she really? Yeah, for some reason. I'm like, hey, dummy, you want them to take away your... you just... I don't know. So many things I just don't care about, sweetie. But you know about it. I know. Why do I know about stuff I don't care about? Like Britney Spears getting her conservatorship back. Daniel Black says, could you please put the word of the day back up? Yeah, you got it, buddy. Gima McWanimin. Gima McWanimin. You know, I was told once, if you're learning an Ojibwe word, you should learn it backwards. Bisyllable. So you go min, nimin. Way, nimin. Mik way, nimin. Ma mik way, nimin. Gi 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 ga mik way, nimin. Gi ma mik way, nimin. There's too many M's and N's in that word. My speech impediments rise to the surface. Didn't you used to be a stutterer? Yeah, I sure did. I was a stutterer for up until about 3rd or 4th grade. I had to go to speech therapy. They were like, you don't talk right, boy. I'm going to send you to a specialist. That's how they said it. my teachers were all Southern sheriffs. Hey, boy. You don't talk right. You can't even get through a sentence without sounding like a fool. We're going to send you a speech therapist. And I was like, but I don't want to go to the speech therapist. And they're like, just do it. You're driving us nuts. And so I went to a speech therapist for about 2 years or something. Get together, play cards with some guy who's not from the school, you know. And eventually, somehow, stopped stuttering. But now, like the hardest thing for me to... The only time I feel like stuttering is when I'm doing a Joe Biden impersonation. Because you stutter so much, it makes me want to stutter. You know, like, come on, man. I mean, just think of it. I'm serious. You know, Corn Pop, he was a bad dude. You know, I left the pool that day and I was like, I'm going to wrap this chain around your neck, Corn Pop. Yeah, I'll put you back in chains. You know, there's something about the Joe Biden voice that makes me want to stutter. And when I talk about stuttering, then I can feel myself want to stutter. Zagame says, hard to say like, yeah, I hate that word. Aluminum. 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 Is that right? I think so. Aluminum. Aluminum. I couldn't say spoon when I was a kid either. Everyone teased me. I'd say spoon. Spoon. It's like, hey, Mom, can you grab me a spoon? You mean a spoon? Yeah. Spoon. I don't know what my problem was. They should have sent me to boarding school. Teach me how to speak English. Oh, hey, la la la. Should we do the prayer? You could. Did you want to come up here and say hello to the crew? I could. Yeah. Daniel Black, it isn't the real Biden. Damn it. Illusion shattered again. Oh, yeah, that's right. I mean, sometimes the real Joe Biden does call in here. Huh, Michael? Yeah, he sure does. I don't know how he got the number. We haven't heard from Hunter in a while. He's always funny. Anyone else calling in today, sweetie? I don't think so. Not even Johnny Depp. Oh, actually, Vincent Van Gogh's online too. Vincent Van Gogh? Oh, wow. Okay, hang on. Vincent Van Gogh, welcome to the show. You're on the air.
Yeah, you're on the air.
What?
I said you're on the air.
Oh, right. Yeah, I am on the air, I guess. I'm on YouTube, and now you are too. This is more exposure than you ever had while you were alive.
Yeah, so what? You know what you're talking about. You're not so big.
Yeah, I know. So what's going on? What can I do for you?
How come you gotta talk about Hitler paintings? Hitler was a fascist, man. You should talk about my paintings. I'm a genius.
You're a genius?
Yeah, everyone knows I'm a genius. I'm the most famous painter ever.
You're one of the most famous painters. But I don't think it's because you were such a genius. I don't know. Something weird about you. I think you were just one of these propped up. I mean, you're German, right?
Yeah, what's that supposed to mean, you racist?
Well, no, I'm just saying maybe, I don't know, maybe the one world order, the Illuminati or whatever, propped you up for some reason.
No, it's because I'm a genius. I'm a great painter. Why don't you show one of my paintings?
All right. Okay, everybody, this is a painting by Vincent Van Gogh. It's called Sunflowers.
Yeah, it's a great painting, man. You know how much I sold that for? Millions of dollars.
You sold this for millions of dollars?
Well, no, I didn't. I was dead before I sold it, but it gets millions of dollars now. It's a famous paintings, man. It's a great painting.
I've always thought this was just a terrible painting. Just in composition, subject matter, your choice, there's no contrast. It's terrible. Your self-portrait's better than this.
No, it's genius, man. You should have me on your show more often. I could talk about art.
I don't know. I think I'd rather have Hitler on here.
Hey, man, what's the Ojibwe word of the day?
Gimamik Wainanemen.
Gimamik Wainanemen. I'm proud of you. Well, how do you say I'm not proud of you?
Well, if you want to say I'm not proud, you would add Gaween. Like, no. Gimamik Wainanemen. Nimin. Yeah, that's right. Mikwanemin. You'd say Gawin Gimamik Wanemin Z. Gawin in the front, Z in the back. That would mean I'm not proud of you.
Well, let me just say, Gawin Gimamik Wanemin Z. I'm not proud of you, Nanaboozhoo.
Okay.
So anyway, what else?
Well, today's prayer day.
Say a prayer for yourself.
Anime egg, eat you good. It's prayer day.
Anime egg, eat you good. It's prayer day. I'm an atheist.
Are you really?
No, I'm kidding.
I don't know. Okay. Anything else?
No, man, I just wanted to call in and tell you you suck.
Okay, thanks, Vincent. I will see you again. Gigawaba Min, Minawa.
Yeah, Gigawaba Min Minawa yourself.
Vincent Van Gogh, sweetie.
I don't think he likes you.
Nah. I don't know. When it comes to German painters, I'll take Hitler over Van Gogh. I know that's not a popular opinion. And maybe maybe this is finally the issue that is totally polarizing. Are you team Van Gogh or team Hitler? Wally Bear says, who had that famous painting of a tigerfish? A tigerfish? I don't know. I don't know much about art. Clearly, because I'm all impressed with Hitler art. Okay, well, hey, I'm going to let Natasha get up here and maybe say some words. She's so much cuter than me. Nah, get out of here. But before that, here's a little video for prayer day. I will see you again. And welcome back to the show. I am Nanaboozhoo, and on the guitar, Michael Lyons. And in the studio with us, the lovely and talented Natasha. And today is Sunday. In the Anishinaabe language, we call this Anama E Gija Good, Prayer Day. So I think what I'd like to do is say a little prayer in the Anishinaabe language. And I'll translate it for you. But this is just a good Sunday prayer if you're interested in, that kind of thing. Gitche Manadu, Great Spirit. Miigwech Kakina Gegu, Kaiji Chikean Nungom. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech Kaiji Webak. Thank you for the weather. Miigwech Kaiji Gija Guk. Thank you for this day. And Miigwech Kaiji Bimadazian. Thank you for my life. Miigwech Bezandawiya Gitche Manadu. Thank you for listening. And this is your Sunday morning Anama E, your Sunday morning prayer. So
BOOZHOO! How's it going, everybody? Natasha Nandisha Nakaz. Natasha is my name. And I'm so glad to be here with you today. Before I say anything more, this has really started to annoy me in YouTube videos. They'll give you a little teaser of what the video is going to be about. Oh, today we're going to talk about Hitler. And then they go, but before we start, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We're being shadow banned by YouTube algorithms, which is never the case because they'll have like 20,000 views. And blah, 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 blah. And then they'll tell a commercial. And I've learned, I just got to fast forward through the first minute and a half of a 5-minute video. But that's what I'm doing right now, I guess.
yeah.
Support the show on Patreon. If you sign up on Patreon, we'll send you a book by Michael Lyons. You can also leave us a tip on PayPal. Give us a cup of makane mash kiki wabu. Buy us a cup of coffee. And you can sign up on GoFundMe. We accept money on GoFundMe. We're raising money for probably a scanner and a printer. And another good computer. Michael, you got started on that coloring book, didn't you?
Yeah, just barely. I got one page half done.
And so we're going to, because Michael's got books in the Ojibwe language and cartoons, one called OJIBERISH, for sale on Amazon.com. Links are in the description. Give us a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Anyway, enough with the commercial. I am a capitalist, I understand. But whatever.
Do you want to go outside?
Yeah, would you mind teleporting me outside? I'm going to put a little tobacco on this prayer day. I'm not going to say another prayer. We just did that.
You could say another prayer.
Yeah, I suppose I could. Okay. When to teleport, please.
Hold on, let me lock in your coordinates.
Oh, right.
Okay, I got you, and I'm going to set you out in that little meadow.
Okay. I'm going to go outside.
When to teleport.
Energize. Hey, you guys are out here too. That's weird. So, yeah, just gonna go outside on this prayer day, on this Sunday. Being in nature, being with God. I should have brought a guitar. I could be like Johnny Depp. Go out here and play a 3-chord song. Maybe a fancy dancer will come out. Oh, look at me, sauvage. Today's Ojibwe word of the day is brought to you by Sauvage, Savage? No. Sauvage. It's French. It doesn't mean savage, even though they mean savage. But people got confused, like, hey, was that racist? Yeah, I guess. But it's not, like, we don't really have an N-word, you know? Savage isn't something that hurts our feelings if somebody calls us that. It's such a dumb, perceived, racist term. Oh, you savages! Like, it's probably something that the, upper crust royalty people called Native Americans back in the Columbus days. Oh, these savages. They don't even know our ways or whatever. It's not an insult that anybody's ever heard in their lifetime who's living now. Unless it came from their own auntie. Oh, you savs! Why don't you settle down back there? I'll turn this car around. Just a bunch of savs. Oh, you savage. Ooh. That's the N-word to us. No, it's not. Just don't call us redskins. Because that means, like, no. You could choose to be offended by a word, but, it's like, does it really? Or has somebody just told you, oh, don't say that. That hurts me. Your language is violence. We are not savages. We're Indians. Hey, we're Native Americans. Oh, yeah, sorry. That's racist. I don't want to be called a dirty Indian. Wait, that's racist. Wait, okay. Let's be First Nations. Woo, First Nations. Nations. That's plural. Well, there's got to be one to be first, No, that's collective. We're the first 500 nations. We're just not the Europeans. What about the Vikings? Never mind them. Oh, we're indigenous. From now on, call us indigenous. You're racists. Oh, you mean like a plant? Yeah, okay. You'll call us from our rightful name that our own indigenous language referred to us as. Call me Anishinaabe. But I thought you were Ojibwe. Well, sometimes we call us Ojibwe. Or Chippewa. That's the old word. Chippewas. The treaties are written with the Chippewas, so let's not forget. But that's also a term. No, that's racist. The Chippewas. What? Take it easy. We're not the Sioux. We're not the snakes in the grass. What? We are the Dakota. All right. Just because you were born in the back of a Jeep doesn't mean you're part Cherokee. The other day, I think I went off saying that, what was her name? Nancy Pelosi? That old drunk? I was saying that she was the one who claimed to be Native American. But it turns out it's Elizabeth Warren. Elizabeth Warren is like 1/78th Cherokee. Hiya, Elizabeth Warren. It's another sister. Hey, my Inkwe. Come on down to the powwow. Hang out with your aunties. Elizabeth Warren. But that other lady, man, she's a mess too. She gets up on that podium just drunk. You man. She looks like a half in a bag. Nancy Pelosi. Oh, I'm worried about her. Maybe I should say a prayer for Nancy Pelosi. Get some asema. Get your manadu. Taka odapanani we asema. Please accept my tobacco. I'd like to pray for Nancy Pelosi. She's probably somebody's grandma. She probably has another side where it was somebody who really loves her. She probably got a little granddaughter who really looks up to her. She doesn't know that her grandma's got this terrible spirit on her back, that she was a hopeless alcoholic, that she drinks first thing in the morning and last thing at night just to get through the day. That when she runs out of alcohol, she'll drink mouthwash, anything with alcohol in it. Remember that was, what's her name? Kitty Dukakis. You know. So I pray, help her find sobriety. Help her find the red road. Get you wanna do. Please help Elizabeth Warren sober up. It's time you sober up. Go to treatment. This ain't a joke. It's not even funny. I don't know why I'm doing this to her. And Miigwech, kaishi pamadisiyan. Thank you for my life. Miigwech, kaishi kakina keku, kaishi chikean nukum. Thank you for everything that you do today. I mean, really. Thank you for my health. Thank you for that bird. I just so pretty in the morning. And I don't know. The God we do wishing. Please help me. Help me to know the way. Inspire me to want to live the right way, to do the right thing, to follow the right path. Lead me not into temptation. I bought those Monster peanut butter cookies yesterday. They're so good. Please help me to resist eating them for every meal. Help me not be such a pig. Wally Bear says, I kind of sound like Natasha. Do you really? Do you have a beautiful voice like me? And, yeah, just miigwech for taking care of me. Miigwech for taking care of the BOOZHOO crew. Just be with us. Give us strength. Give us a strong heart, as Papa Magosho says. You know? And, yeah, there you go.
Oh, me daughter, thank you for the tobacco.
Oh, hi, Kitchen Manadu. Ladies and gentlemen, the Great Spirit.
Hello, BOOZHOO crew.
How you doing this morning?
Oh, I was just listening to your lovely prayer. I love to hear the Ojibwe prayer in, I love to hear a prayer in Ojibwe.
Do you really?
Yeah, would you say the Serenity prayer in Ojibwe?
Well, I could. Let me see if I remember it. This is the Serenity Prayer. And if you don't know the Serenity Prayer, it's basic. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage or the strength to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. In Ojibwe, it sounds like this. Get you Manadu. That's you.
That's right.
Daga we do kawishin. We ni chi nana gura wendaman. Geodapaman inu ke kashki katosiwan. Chi anji satuyan. Chi apiche de ayan. Chi anji satuyan. Ke kashki katuyan. Chi te apiche wakayan. Chi kendaman. Oh no. Ape inge.
Oh, that was beautiful, me daughter.
Okay. So what else?
Nothing. Are you going to go back to the studio and say goodbye?
Yeah, I was thinking about it. How did you know?
Because I'm the creator. I know everything.
Oh, yeah. I keep forgetting. All right. Okay, I better go back.
All right, I will talk to you again.
Okay. All right. Bloop.
Hello.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh, hello, Natasha. Are you ready to come home?
Yeah. Would you scan for my coordinates?
I sure will. Scanning. Okay, I'm locking in on your coordinates. For crying out loud, don't move.
I won't.
1 to teleport.
Energize.
How is it out there?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Did you talk to God?
I did.
Did he talk to you?
Yeah, I sure did.
Every time, man. He never talks to me.
Well, take it up with him. I don't know what's up there. Anywho. All right. Well, I think that's all the time we have for today, huh, sweetie?
Yep, that's about it.
Yeah. So thank you so much for listening. Miigwech bisandawieg. Zagame says, Natasha, invite Cookie Monster. He will help you eat them cookies. Yeah, no kidding. Cookie Monster comes here, I'll probably not even get any. That guy's a cookie addict. Sweetie, should we get Cookie Monster to come in and have cookies with us?
No, I'm not going to let that weirdo in our house.
Why not?
Guy's like on crack or something. I don't know.
Nah, he just likes cookies. All right, we better get going. Sweetie, you want to say anything?
Yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, miigwech kanawabieg. Thank you for watching. Michael, you want to say anything?
Yeah, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, hope you have a great birthday. Miigwech kanawabieg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay.
This is Michael Lyons.
Miigwech.
And I will see you again. Gikawabamin. Minawa. Oh. Sweetie.
One to teleport.